Pick up the phone, stop pressing decline. Pick up the phone, stop pressing decline. Pick up the phone, stop pressing decline. Rewind, 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 rewind. Pick up the phone, stop wasting my time. Pick up the phone, stop wasting my time.
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Wonderful, and I'm back with another video, man. But look, your boy running up the reactions again. I'm back on the reaction wave. But look, it's another Nittoli. I'ma do this time I'm gonna do Hook, as y'all seen the title. But look, go ahead and like this video, comment, subscribe, man. Join the game, and don't forget to get that bell. Don't forget. I said sorry, nah, I ain't gonna do it. But look, we gonna go ahead and get into the video. So I need y'all to stay tuned. I'm out. Gang, gang. What's good, man? I see y'all made it back. So look, I'm gonna go ahead and turn that screen recorder on so we can get into the video. That boy can sing, man. Stop playing with him. 2, 1. Bong, gong, gong, gong. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and see what he talking about in Hook.
You don't really want it with me, though. I can't understand you like me, go. Swear this shit is not a fucking game. So
nigga came on with fucking fire.
Not done with domestic violence, but they want me back on the beat, ho. Swear you can't do it without me. Y'all should just call me in vitro. I'm on my own little island. Y'all niggas swim on the beachfront. Been waiting for this since the Mayans. I guess it was 2019 then. I guess there's a new prophecy, man. I guess I'm the newfound belief, man. I know I'm the gospel they preaching. I turn your career to freelance. I don't need a hook. 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 I don't need a hook.
You don't need a hook?
I don't need a hook.
They hear you.
Fuck 'em. I don't need a hook. 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 I don't need a hook.
You don't need a hook. You don't need no hook, man.
I don't need a hook. I don't need a hook.
You don't need no hook, no. You don't need no hook. Nigga talking all in the book.
I'm Mike Jack on him, tell me who batters him. My rhymes knock you out quick like some other band. And I don't need a challenge from a fucking mannequin. I swing swords for the dark side like a mannequin. Pick you up off the ground like whose man is this? I go Hulk on him, no Eric Banner shit. We talking mixtapes, these ain't even manuscript. I keep out ball with the hits when I land the shit. My music poppin', now you gotta fix. Think I'ma stop now, man, you wish. Niggas joking, they look why so serious. I'ma show you just how it really is. Loud shouts, niggas duck when they hearing it. I'm proud blocks, give a fuck, ain't no fear in this. Needle in your arm, I'm the heroin. I'm the evil doctor's face when the serum hit. No concentrate, boy, I'm the realest shit. Like pedophiles, I'll make you feel it, kid. Produced it and wrote it, I'm really it. That boy said he's doing it,
That
really
nigga crazy, that's a crazy bar. Nigga feel like pedophile, make you feel it good. That's a bar, but it's like, that fucked up.
I know I'd win. I don't need to flex cause I know you flex.
That nigga just going, he just spin.
So no,
He
you
just
do not
going.
toe to toe with him. No, you do not want him going in. So no, you do not want him throwing in. A stranger, you don't want to go with him. So give him the chorus like one more game. I don't need a hook. I don't need a hook.
This shit hard slick.
I don't need a hook. I don't need a hook. I don't need a hook.
I don't need no hook, no. You don't need no hook. You don't need no hook. Yeah.
I don't need a hook.
Yeah.
I don't need a hook.
You don't need no hook, no, no,
I
no.
don't need a hook.
Don't really talking, I'm all about walking. I know that they're talking, they let it spray. They really talking, I don't know why, but I know that all of these niggas is gay. So I get it and I'm going back. Niggas talking, I ain't going back. Niggas saying I ain't going back. He don't need no hook. He don't need a hook. Cause he got a book. If they keep on talking, I'ma go hit him with the hook. And I got this girl, and she singing to me. And she all in my, and she all in my D. Damn, hey man, my freestyling got, hey, not too much of that, but look, man, that's another video. Damn, y'all heard that shit? Nigga need a deal, man. Go ahead and give me a deal. But look, your boy out of here, man, so I need y'all to live wonderful, be wonderful, and stay wonderful, man. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in the next one. You dig? Your boy out of here, man. Dang, dang.
Bust down, I'm in the end zone like a touchdown. She throwing pussy cause she know a nigga up now. What now? Yeah, they free